A very pleasant good afternoon to all. On behalf of Diabetes Philippines, it is my great honor and privilege to welcome you all to the 42nd Diabetes Philippines Annual Convention and Scientific Session. You are the heart and the reason behind everything we do. We are forever grateful for your continued trust. For many years, diabetes has been a growing challenge, not only in the Philippines but across the world. It affects millions of lives, drains resources, and burdens families. But even as the numbers rise, we are not powerless.
I now officially declare the 42nd Diabetes Annual Convention and Scientific Session open.
When we empower our people to choose healthier lives, when we make nutritious food accessible, promote active lifestyle, and strengthen primary health care,
Together, let us share insights, challenges, perspectives, and strengthen our collective commitment in reducing the burden of diabetes.
our fight is not just against a disease. It is for a way of life, a life of balance, wellness, and dignity.
Ang tunay na tagumpay ay nasusukat sa pagbabago ng buhay.
On behalf of Diabetes Philippines, I thank you for your unwavering dedication and partnership. Let us continue to lead, to serve, and to inspire until diabetes is no longer a threat. But a conquered challenge of our past.
Mabuhay ang Diabetes Philippines, mabuhay ang mga manggagamot, mga nurse, mga nutritionist, at lahat ng tagapaglingkod sa kalusugan.
Tara na! Stop diabetes!